this tutorial, we will see that how you can add voiceover to a video in Canva, free and easy. So let's dive right in. So we are in this canva.com official website. To start with, on the right top side, you'll find here this create a design. Click on that. You can search for video. Open it. It will open up this new tab. Here, it will show you window like this. On the left side, you'll find here uploads option. Click on that. And from here, you can upload your video file. That's the first step to add voiceover. And after uploading, if you open this video section, it will show here. If you click on your uploaded video, it will be on this canvas. You can simply drag it to full screen like that. Now, to add voiceover to this video, what you can do is, on the right top side, you'll find here share option. Click on that. And here, if you scroll down, you'll find here this present. Click on that. It will open up this type of window like present full screen, present viewer, and at last present and record. Click on this present and record and click on this next. Go to recording studio, allow, and then you have to choose your mic. Like if I open this, I will choose this headset. When you speak, it will show here these lines. You can test your headset like that. And then if you click on this start recording, it will be started. On the left side, you'll find a recording button and here it will show you timestamp. You can also pause your recording, and after doing recording, you can simply click on this end recording and it will start uploading your recordings on Canva editing dashboard. Here it is. You can also download it by just clicking here. It will start downloading here. Then in uploads, if you open your audio, you will find here this your recent audio. You can simply drag it to your video, or if you click on that, it will automatically drag in your timeline. So here it is. You can adjust it like that. And if you play it, so that's how you can add voiceover to a video in Canva, free and easy.